everyone, welcome back. So today my Boxyluxe arrived in the mail, so I'm going to be doing an unboxing of that. Now, if you're unaware of what Boxyluxe is an upgraded version of Boxycharm box. Usually Boxycharm boxes cost about $21, but the upgraded version I believe cost around $50. And in the upgraded version you're supposed to get, I think, 8 to 10 full-size products, and the value of this box is obviously a lot higher than the regular Boxycharm box. And this box only comes around 4 times a year. So yeah, I'm just going to go ahead and get right on into unboxing of this. Alright, so I have not opened this. I resisted the temptation to open this because I wanted to do my first impressions of what's in here on camera. Now, they do allow some customization on this box a little bit. They will send you an email and they'll usually show a couple of products, and they will ask you which one you would prefer out of the options that you have. Having said that, I did get an email saying, I believe I got an email the same day that I received my box saying that somehow they did not send me what I picked, so they said they're going to end up sending it to me next month, and that they put like 500 Boxycharm points in my account or something like that. I'm interested to see which product they didn't send me. I don't know. I guess I'll find out next month. But let's go ahead and open this up. The box is really long this month. Like, it's really long and not as, wide as it usually is. So I'm wondering what's in here that is causing it to be this shape. Alright, and we have our card, and of course the card has the theme of the month, and the theme is all access. And of course on the back here it has all the items in here. And I got variation 5L, which I don't know what 5L means, but there's that. Alright, so everything is bubble wrapped, which is good. Alright, and so the first product I have is the Violet Voss Essentials palette. Here's the palette. Honestly, I'm not blown away by this palette just from the color selection. I don't know. I mean, it doesn't look terrible, but it just doesn't seem any special. Now, Violet Voss is a pretty good brand though. I've gotten another palette from them before, and they are really good quality, at least from the other one. Their eyeshadows are very pigmented and very creamy, so I'm just not sure if I'm going to keep this. I may end up passing this on to somebody else, but if you don't have a lot of palettes, this would be a good one. Alright, and then next up in here we have the Tarte High Performance Parquet Princess, I think is what it says. Now I think this is the product that they sent that is not the one that I picked, because I think I picked the Tarte face palette, the one with like all the blushes and the highlight and things, but this one does look nice. Here it is. So this is a contour kit. I don't really like how this doesn't like open all the way. I mean, it just stops right there, so I feel like it's kind of awkward, but that's okay. It is really pretty though. I think the packaging is gorgeous. So these aren't highlights down here. I don't know what these are, because I just swatched it and it's not shiny, it's like powdery. We'll play around with this and I'll see how I like it. Oh, I forgot to tell you the prices. Sorry, I haven't done this in a while. Alright, so the prices for the Violet Voss is $29, and this Tarte Park Avenue Princess palette is $45. So already I already have my box. What I paid for the box I already have in the products just here. It's already over that value. Alright, next up in here is by Dr. Brannett, and it is the Hydrobiotic Recovery Sleeping Mask. Now, I was really excited to get this because I did see some sneak peeks. And you guys know that I really do love getting skincare in Boxycharm. I love getting skincare in any subscription box, and this retails for $52. Wow. To me, that seems like a lot, considering you only get 1.7 ounces of this, so it's not like a really big product. But Dr. Brannett is known for being pretty pricey. Right, next in here is by Stella, and it is a shimmering liquid lipstick. And this retails for $22. Here it is, very pretty. Very shiny. Alright, and the next thing in here that I see is by Sunday Riley. And it is the Tidal Brightening Enzyme, I know I'm saying that wrong, water cream. Oh my gosh, this retails for $65. What is this? I mean, like I said, this is why I like getting skincare in boxes, because I would not pay that for, like, buying this in the store. I would never buy this for $65. Unless it's, like, really, really good, but it smells weird. I think it smells like cucumbers. Does this have cucumbers in it? But I am really excited to try this out. Alright, 3 more products. Alright, and the next thing in here is by Sutra Beauty, and I believe it's a curling iron, which is kind of cool because I was actually wanting a curling iron, so this is kind of nice. Clipless curling iron, and this retails for $65 too. Oh my goodness, man, this box value is going to be really high this month. Alright, so it is just a wand, so you just wrap your hair around it. It doesn't have any clips or any, like, some of the ones I've seen, they have like that clip thing where you have to pull it back to get your hair out of it. Yeah, it's just a curling iron, just a black curling iron. It looks pretty nice. I'm excited to try it out. Like I said, I've been wanting a curling iron. I just haven't gotten around to buying one. So this is kind of nice. This is pretty nice to get. Alright, 2 more things. We have, this is Hydrating Hair Balm, and this is by IGK. I've never heard of this brand before, and this retails for $29. It's a leave-in conditioner for your hair. It smells like a hair salon, the conditioner that they put in your hair. I just got lipstick on it. But yeah, that smells really nice. I'm excited about this. How does this work? Okay, it says apply to damp or dry hair. Air dry or blow out. Which I'll probably use it as, I like to put in conditioners after I take a shower. Alright, and then last but not least, I think it's an eyeliner by Hank and Henry. And this retails for $20, which is quite a bit of money for, at least I think, for an eyeliner. That's just me. You guys know me. I'm cheap. And this is in the shade Blackity Black. I don't know what that shade name is. Okay, so it's got a felt tip. It's got a felt tip here. And let's go ahead and try it out. Ooh, you can get some fine lines with that. I wouldn't really say this is, I don't know, it looks more dark brown than black, honestly. So I wouldn't really say that this is a black. I would say it's more of a brown. It has like a marble or something in there to, I guess, mix it up so that it doesn't get like all, I don't know, streaky. Alrighty guys, and that is everything I got in my box. Now I'm just going to go ahead and tally everything up so that I can tell you guys what my overall value of this box is, or my box. Alrighty guys, and the overall value for my box is $327. Now that's pretty dang good considering I only paid $50 for this box, so it is well worth, you know, buying this box in my opinion. I think I always get way over what I paid in the value wise. But yeah, I got really a lot of good products this month. The only ones I really am not too thrilled about is honestly the Violet Voss Essentials palette and this Tarte Princess Park Avenue palette, which, if I remember correctly, I don't think I picked this, and I think the one that I picked is what they were talking about in that email. I'm pretty sure I picked a different Tarte one, and they made a mistake and sent me this one. So hopefully I will be getting that, the one that I want, in next month's box. I think they're just supposed to add it in there, so it'll be like an extra product in there. Which I am glad, and I am appreciative that they did recognize their mistake and they are fixing it. So I do appreciate that. But yeah, there's a lot of good products. I am thrilled to get skincare products in here. I always love getting skincare in Boxycharm. And yeah, overall, it's a pretty good box. And I'm just kind of complaining. I'm just being picky, honestly. These are still good products, I'm sure. And if I didn't already have a pretty good sized makeup collection, I would probably be thrilled to get these. But yeah guys, that's gonna do it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button. I do appreciate it. But other than that guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. Today is Friday the 13th, which is kind of, I don't know, I'm not very superstitious, but it is kind of, I don't know, just unusual. But yeah, I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!